Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, now
Good
you are
morning.
visible.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you. A very good morning to all of you. Now, today we are going to continue our divisibilities, which we have done in our last classes. Few divisibilities are still left. So, I'm going to play the video. Please guide me whether it is audible and visible or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now you are visible to me because I have pinned myself and now you are visible.
We know that
This is
28
audible?
is
Renu,
divisible.
ma'am.
Yes.
Renu, ma'am, you remember last time in fourth we have a graph book.
Yes.
We can do in that graph
Yes,
book.
yes, yes. I need only one paper, and if you have notebook also, it's okay. And if you have one paper
Ma'am,
left in that, it's okay. Yes.
ma'am, you are presenting 2 times.
Two times. Okay. I'll again stop it and I'll again present it. Please, those who have joined now, I again repeat to them, please join on time. Join your class on time.
Ma'am, I have downloaded the video and after the class divisibility, I will write in the notebook rules.
Okay. Yes. So now we repeat the divisibility of 7. I told you, take the last digit of the number, double it, and subtract it from the number. And that after subtracting the number which you get is divisible by 7 or not. And if the
Renu,
number
ma'am.
is the bigger number, yes.
Sorry to interrupt. Ma'am, I don't have graph book, so can I do in my notebook regular?
Yes.
Thank
Now,
you.
okay. Now, if you have the bigger numbers, so bigger number, the process will go till you will get 3-digit numbers, and then after that, see, for example, if we have taken last digit 4 plus 4 is 8, we double it and we subtracted 8 from 393 from the remaining digits. So we get 385. Then again with the 385, we'll do the same process. 5 plus 5 is 10. And from 38, if we subtract 10, 28. Now we will check whether this 28 is divisible by 7 or not. If it is divisible correctly, then this complete number 3934 is divisible by 7. Listen the divisibilities carefully.
Divisible by 7. So,
Excuse me,
the
ma'am.
number 3009
Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am, if it is divisible by 7, so if we like, if there are two numbers like 63, so we will plus 3 plus 3, so 6 minus 6 will 0. That it is, of course, it is divisible by 7.
Hmm. So 2 digit is directly divisible, no? 63 comes.
Yes, ma'am.
134 is divisible by 7. Divisibility by 8. If the number formed by the last 3 digits of the given number is divisible by 8, we say that the given number is divisible by 8. For example, look at the number
See, now in this number 53,888, and we need to only consider the last 3 digits.
3,888. Its last 3 digits
Are
form the number
888,
888, which is divisible by 8.
which now we will check this complete number is 888. The last 3 digit of a number is divisible by 8 or not. And divisible by 8 means when you divide this number with the 8, there should not be any remainder.
Thus, 53,888 is divisible by 8. Divisibility by 9.
Am I clear with the divisibility by 8?
Explain again. Like,
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
excuse me, ma'am.
and like,
Wait a minute. I cannot hear everyone together. Now tell me.
Excuse me.
ma'am, I
Excuse
am
me,
seeing,
ma'am.
Prithvi, switch on your camera. I want to see you and then you ask the question.
can you tell again because I didn't understand properly.
You tell me any 4-digit, 3-digit, 2-digit number, any number.
3, 5,
3, 5,
9, 8.
3, 5, 9, 8. Can you see my board, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
She said 3, 5, 9, 8. Right. But that rule we have understood with the more than 3 digits, right? But the rule divisibility of 8 says check the last 3 digits. So we check all the 3 digits, these with the divided by 8. But if it is more than 3, 5, 2,
Ma'am, it's wrong. Prithvi said 3, 5, 9, 8 and you have written 3, 5, 8.
3, 5, 9, 8, you said, Devanshi?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. She said 3, 5, 9, 8. If we take, then in that case, we only take 3 digits, 5, 9, 8, and then we check it divisible by 8 or not. You have to check with the long division method, which you know, right? Check with the division that it is completely divisible by 8 or not. If any remainder is coming, then it is not divisible. If there is no remainder, then it is divisible.
Ma'am, remainder will come.
Divided by 8, not 5.
Yes, divided by 8.
Ma'am, you have written 5.
Where it is? Sorry.
Ma'am, if it is 2 digits, then
Then you can directly divide with the 8. This rule happens with the big numbers. So that if you face a difficulty,
ma'am, if 3 digit,
then if it's 3 digit, then also you take all the 3 digit and divide it with the 8.
okay.
Okay, now we go to the next divisibility.
Renu ma'am, 1 minute. Jaivan,
Yes, ma'am.
Yash Malhotra, switch on your camera. Arush, Prithvi, Yash, Rupa, Relia, switch on your camera. Okay, ma'am, please continue.
Listen the divisibility carefully and you come up with the examples.
If the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, we say that
See, you have learned divisibility of 3. In divisibility of 3, Aryan will tell me what we were doing, Aryan.
Ma'am, we were totaling all the numbers, all the digits of the number.
Sum of all the digits, sum means total. Yes, we were adding the digits like 3 plus 2 plus 5. If 325, so we add 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 10. And then we check the 10 is divisible by 3 or not. So the divisibility of 9 is also same. We have to add all the digits and then whatever is the total of all the digits, we check whether this number is divisible by 9 or not. 3 and
the
9
given number
divisibility is same.
divisible by 9. For example, look at the number
And these rules applicable when the numbers are large numbers.
7 lakh
If they are small numbers, you can directly divide it and get the answer and find that whether it is divisible or not. But if they are big numbers and it is time consuming, so that is why these divisibilities help us to get the quick answers.
9,639. Here, on adding the digits 7, 2, 9, 6, 3 and 9, we get the sum as 36, which is divisible by 9.
Understood till here, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Switch off your microphones now.
Thus, 7,29,639 is also divisible by 9.
So we can say that this complete number is divisible by 9.
Aheli, switch on your camera.
Now the
Finally,
divisibility
let us
of 10 is also very easy. Just
look
pay attention
at
here.
divisibility by 10. If the number ends in a 0, we
Same
say
we have learned in the divisibility of 5. if the number ends with the 0,
that the given number is
in that we were checking that number ends with 0 and 5. Then that number is divisible by 5. But in divisibility of 10, we only check if the number is divisible by 10. Sorry, if the number ends by 10, if the number ends by 0, then it is completely divisible by
by
10.
10. For example, 8,000
8,620, it ends with 0. So we can say that this complete number is divisible by 10. Devanshi, give me one example.
Ma'am, of I give you example.
Ma'am, can I give the example?
No, if I'm asking with Devanshi, she only will give. Wait for your turn.
2583.
Now you only tell me 2583 is divisible by 10.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
In the
Because
Excuse me,
it
ma'am.
ends with,
Excuse me,
Because-
ma'am.
yes, Aryan.
If in the divisibility of 8 there are 3 zeros, so also it is divisible.
Which?
In divisibility of 8.
Then you need to check
Ma'am, if there are 3
the
zeros
remaining digits.
at the last, when there are 3 zeros, so also it is divisible.
You need to check, with the zeros.
Ma'am, I have checked.
Okay, then also it is divisible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next,
Ma'am,
Nishika, give me one example for
Divisibility-
divisibility of 10.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
divisibility of 9 and 3 are same, no?
Ma'am, 1490.
1490. So is it divisible by 10?
Yes.
Why?
Yes, ma'am.
Why?
And because it ends with 0.
Okay, thank you. Good. So now my presentation is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I play the next.
620 ends in 0. Thus, it is divisible by 10. Next is divisibility by 11. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums
This is little tricky, so please pay attention.
of the alternate digits is 0 or a multiple of 11.
See, this line says a number is divisible by 11 if the difference of the sums of the alternate digit is 0 or multiple by 11. This you will understand with the example.
For example,
Ma'am,
look
green
at
is not
number
visible.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, it is clear visible.
Yes,
I will present it again. Wait a minute.
Ma'am, it is visible, but
Ma'am, it is visible.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, it's very visible.
I'm going to present it again.
Aheli, switch on your camera.
Now is visible.
Yes.
Kajal ma'am, it is visible.
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay, switch off your mics, everyone. Now listen and understand this divisibility. This divisibility, it is little tricky. So it will take time to understand it.
3,729. Here, by adding the alternate digits,
What do you mean by the alternate digits? Who will tell me? What do you mean by the alternate digit? Yes, Aheli, tell me.
Ma'am, I can.
Leave one by one.
Ma'am, alternate means leaving 1 and 1. Like the number is 2418. First we will divide 2, then leave 1 and then by 8.
Yes, so you understood, no? So now please pay attention here how they are taking the alternate digits. Is it visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
and
Yes.
9,
So here
We
the
get-
alternate digits are 7 and 9 and 3 and 2. So we add 3.
Alibaba.com.
Please switch off your microphone. Switch off your microphone. I can see somebody's mic is on. So here the alternate digits are 3 and 2 and 7 and 9. So we add 3 and 2 and 7 and 9. So we get the total of
the sum
alternate
as
digits.
16.
So 7 and 9 is
And
16
3
and 3
plus
and 2
2 is
is
equal to
5.
5.
Now what we do
Now,
is
the difference
Ma'am,
between
16
the two
minus
we need
five.
to find the difference.
is
Difference
16.
means we need to do the subtraction. So 16 minus 5 is how much?
11.
Yes, 11.
16 minus 5 is equal to 11.
So after adding the alternate digits and subtracting it from their total sum, so the number which we get, we need to see that that number is divisible by 11 or not, or is a multiple of 11. Multiple of 11 means it should be either 22, 33, 44, 55, 66.
Ma'am, it is
Multiple of
divisible by
11.
11.
Yes, it is divisible by 11, or it should have the difference either should be 0 or divisible by 11. Am I clear? This divisibility is clear to everyone? Yes. Now, Josh, Rupar,
Ma'am.
give me one example of divisibility of 11.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
For some internet connection, I'll leave. So can you explain once again?
Yes, Josh will explain. Josh, explain divisibility of, where are you, Josh? Josh, your mic is off. Your camera is off. You are not visible and audible clearly.
My net was slow.
Okay. Aryan, can you explain us the divisibility of 11?
Ma'am, can I explain, please?
Ma'am, can I say?
Divisibility of
I'll
11.
come back to you also. I'll come back to you also.
Divisibility of 7. First, we have to find the total of the alternate number.
Ma'am, please can I explain?
Yes, Ishana. I
Ma'am?
think Aryan's mic, Aryan is...
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Ishana will explain.
Ma'am, if example will take number 2, 5, 6,
The number
9.
is 3, 7.
Ishana, you have board with you, no?
Yeah, ma'am.
Marker also with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you bring it and explain us on the board?
So the
Yeah, ma'am. Sure.
Go.
Sure, ma'am. Just a minute. Ma'am, I also have marker and board.
Yes, by the time Nishika you explain, then Ishana will also come.
Ma'am, after Shana, can I?
If
Wait.
we have to
Children, if you say can I in between, you will not listen to other students, you will face difficulty.
Ma'am, I say
Yes.
I have. First, we have to add the alternate numbers, and when the answer comes, we have to subtract that answer. And then, if it is divisible by 11, so means it is divisible. If it is the 0 or a multiple of 11, so it is divisible by 11, or else it is not divisible by 11.
Good. Now Ishana explain. My voice is clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ishana, you are ready?
Ma'am, just a minute. I'll bring my board marker for 1 minute. In my cupboard it is, so I'll bring it.
Okay.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Next, Arush, can you explain with one example the divisibility of 11?
Yes, ma'am. So, first we will take a number. Suppose 5, 4, 2, 8. So, then we have to take alternate numbers. In
Yes.
person to 8, first 8 and 5.
Okay. So you tell me the numbers, I will write here on the board. You tell me the numbers. I will write
Ma'am,
Arush.
oh, ma'am, is my board clear?
Yes, yes. Wait a minute, Ishana. Let Arush complete.
Okay, ma'am.
Arush, tell me the digits.
5428.
5428. Now,
First take 8 and 4.
so
Then
what
add
we will add it? What will be the answer?
12.
Next,
2 and 5.
then next.
Add them.
Now what we will do?
Subtract 12,
12
and
minus 7. What is the answer?
5.
5.
So now is this number is divisible by 11?
No, ma'am.
No, it is not divisible. No, it is not divisible by 11. Am I clear to everyone now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now Ishana ready? Ishana, give me one example of divisibility by 11.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
are visible clearly.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah. Ma'am, if we take number 2, 4, 6, 9, 8. So we'll take.
Put it right at middle, little down. Don't write from the beginning. Write down in the middle.
Ma'am,
Yes. Now visible.
ma'am, if we take number 2, 4, 6, 9, 8. So first we'll take 4, 9. So first, ma'am, we'll plus 4 plus 9. That is 13. Ma'am, then we'll take 2 plus 6 plus 8. That is, ma'am, that is 16. So, ma'am,
Write 13 clearly. It's looking like B.
okay, ma'am. Then, ma'am, will minus 16 minus 13, which is
3.
3. So, ma'am, it's not divisible.
Very good.
So, ma'am, in the last time, we have to take 3 digits.
Yes.
Ma'am, if it is more bigger, at that time we have to add 3 digits.
Alternate 3 values. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Alternate digits.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I will come with the more examples in the next class. So we will continue the divisibilities of 11 now.
Ma'am, what we have to do in exact?
Therefore,
I will let
the
you know.
number 3729 and 76 is divisible by 12 if it is divisible by both 3 and 4. For
See,
example,
you have learned the divisibility of 3 and 4 also, right? So now check.
look at the
Apply
number
both the divisibilities and then check.
4,79,628.
See, this is very big
Here,
number.
by adding the digits 4
It is
plus
divisible by 4.
7 plus 9 plus 6
So we
plus
have to plus all the digits and see that this number is
2
divisible by 3
plus
or not.
8.
So
We
4
get
plus 7
the
plus
sum
9 plus
as
6 plus 2 is
36.
plus 8 is 36.
36
Is divisible by 3. So that we can say
Thus,
that
we say 4
this number is divisible by 12.
628 is divisible by 3.
So till now it
And
is divisible by 3. Now we need to check with 12 also. Oh, sorry, with 4 also.
the last 2 digits
So last 2
form
digits we need to check.
the number 28, which is divisible by 4. Thus, we say
So now we can say that if this number is divisible by 3 also, divisible by 4 also, then only we can say that this number is divisible by 12.
2,79,628 is divisible by 4 also. Therefore, 4,79,628 is divisible by 12. Lastly, divisibility by 15. A number
This is the last
is
divisibility.
divisible by 15 if it is divisible by both 3 and 5. For example,
So here you
look
will apply
at
both the
number
divisibilities 3 and 5.
5,60,955.
If you check with the divisibility of 5, the last digit should be 0 or 5. So this number passes with the divisibility of 5.
Here, by adding the digits 5 plus 6 plus 0 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5, we get
Ma'am,
the sum
divisible
as
by
30.
50.
30 is divisible by
Yes.
3. Therefore, we say 5,60,955 is divisible by 3. Also, the number ends in 5. Thus, 5,60,955 is even divisible by 5. Hence, 5,60,955 is divisible by 15. Kids, now
So I think you all are clear with the divisibilities till now, right? So please watch this video which I have sent on the classroom and keep revising your divisibilities. Keep taking the examples and checking the divisibilities. Even I am sending the Google form based on the same. Solve them with the divisibilities and then click the final answer. Don't click it simply without solving it, without using the divisibilities. Now those who bought this, either this math paper or either the graph paper, right? As I mentioned in the classroom today, bring one graph paper or the graph notebook or one maths checks paper. Now this activity is useful for you. We are going to learn the next topic, which is factors. And now this divisibilities also will help you in the factors to find out the factors. First we will learn, yes,
Ma'am, which page we have to use?
I have mentioned either this square page of your math notebook. My page is visible to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, either this square page of math notebook or a graph paper. If you don't have both, just you have to see how I am doing it. Or if you have your any notebook, then also I will explain you how you will make the rows and columns, and then this activity will be begin. So first, keep your keep
Ma'am,
your
it is
everything what. Yes, keep it aside now. Don't show me. Look at the board now. Now our next topic is factors. We are done with the multiples, as we know that the multiples of a product of two numbers. If I say 3 into 6, what is the multiple? 3 twos are
6.
6 is a multiple. 4 into 3.
12.
When I say 4 table 3 times, I'll get 2, 12. This is the multiple. Right? But have you ever think what are these two numbers?
Factors.
This answer is the product of the two numbers is a multiple.
Factors.
Am I right? Am I right? Everyone, please show me thumbs up. Product,
Yes.
Riva, pay attention here in the class. Product of two numbers is a multiple. So you know that this is the multiple. But have you ever think these two numbers are what? These two numbers are the factors. These two numbers are the factors of 12. Why these two numbers are the factors of 12? Means 12 comes in the table of 4. Also 12 comes in the table of 3 also. If I say 4 3s are 12 and 3 4s are 12. Means this 12 comes in the both numbers table, right? In table of 3 also, in table of 4 also. So these two numbers. Kanan, will you please sit at one place?
Ma'am, so am I right? No, I have told factors. They both are factors, 4 and 3.
Which two numbers?
4 and 3.
Yes, 4 and 3 are the factors of which number?
12.
12 are the, because 12 comes in the table of 4 also and 12 comes in the table of 3 also. Now take your graph paper, and those who don't have graph paper, they take any notebook. Now I want to tell you that arrange as many times. If I give you any number, this is the number 12, right? Arrange this 12 in rows and columns so that you will get 12. These standing lines are the columns and sleeping lines are the rows. So you have checks boxes in your graph paper like this?
Yes.
Yes or no? You have like this checks box, and even in this math page also you have checks boxes?
Ma'am, you can share. Yes,
Okay, so now I will give you
Ma'am, can you repeat what are told rows and what are told lines?
standing lines are columns and sleeping lines are rows. In simple example, the electric booth which you see, right? Which you call in the electric khamba, electricity khamba, right? They are arranged in a column. And railway track is in the row wise, sleeping line, right?
Yes.
So sleeping lines are the rows and standing lines are arranged in the columns. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so now if you don't have the square notebooks, you can make the squares like this also. So now arrange this 12 in such a way, so see, so that you will get 12. If I take one box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more boxes I will make. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, if I take one row, am I clear? Sorry, if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 rows, and is it 12 rows or 12 columns? Please tell me.
Ma'am, 12 rows.
12 rows. And how many columns?
4 columns.
Ma'am, no 12 columns.
Please tell me 12. Is it 12 rows or 12 columns?
Columns.
Rows.
Ma'am, 12 columns.
Rows and 12 columns.
Yes. So we will do 12 into 1. Then also we will get 12. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
But if I take two columns, and if I take 6 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? 6 rows or columns?
Ma'am, rows.
Rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You need to check this. These are the 2 rows and 6 columns. So now when you multiply 2 into 6, then also you will get 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Arrange make it different way. In this way I will show you also, so that you will get total 12. Wait a minute, I'll show you the picture also. Can you all see this book?
Yes, ma'am.
Here the dots are taken.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, can you see it is taken 12 in one row first. Then they have arranged in this way. They have taken 2 multiplied by 6 also 12.
1, 2,
Then
3, 4, 6,
3 into 4 also 12. Then 4 into 3 also 12. So make boxes, and so that when you multiply these rows and columns, so that you will get 12. Do it fast. Yes, now.
Ma'am, we can do in any way, but it has to be
Anyway,
12.
more ways of finding the 12.
2,
Do it fast.
12, then 3, 4, 5. Make many to make 12.
Yes. Take as many rows and multiply with the columns, so that you, when you multiply rows and columns, you will get 12. Can you all show me those who have done? Very good,
I have
Rishika.
done.
You have done with one method.
Devanshi, switch off your microphone.
Make more rows and columns and multiply rows and columns, so that you will get 12 when you multiply rows and columns. Not, yes, this is also one way. Yes, very good, Nishika, Virushika. Please show me, Ishana, show me. Yes, so second is yours, what you have taken.
Ma'am, we have
And don't join everything together. First 1 into 12 you have made, then you made 2 into 6. Yes. Yes, which child is this? Aryan also doing. Aryan, show me clearly.
Aheli, switch off
Ma'am,
your
Aheli.
camera.
Yes, Aheli.
Ma'am, we have to multiply the.
You have to multiply the rows and columns. That how many you have taken in the standing line and how many you have taken in the sleeping line. Okay. Aheli, your camera is off. Preet, you are doing? Aheli, your camera is off.
Renu, ma'am.
Yes.
3 columns, 3 rows and
Camera,
3 rows and
camera is off.
Renu Punjabi, ma'am.
Swara, yes, tell me.
Can you explain once again? I was making squares and that.
Okay. So you have done with the square.
Yeah, I'll show you one second.
Now you take the rows and column in such a way and make a box, so that you will, yes.
Is
So
it
now,
okay?
but now,
can I say
now you
3
put
rows
the pen.
and 2 columns?
Ma'am, I can't hear you because of some background voices from other sides.
Nishika, switch off your microphone.
With you, so that you will easily mark, because this is the pencil is already marked here, so you will not able to mark with the pencil again.
Ma'am,
Right.
I think we can make 3 only.
Try how many, then I will show you how to find the factors exactly.
Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, we can make 3 and 4, 3 columns and 4 rows, and 4 columns and 3 rows.
Yes,
So it will be 2.
Ma'am,
yes. And more. 12 is coming in another table also.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
6 and 2.
Swara, you only facing the difficulty, my dear.
Ma'am,
Oh, can
Yes.
you explain me? I can't hear some. Your voice is breaking.
Aryan, my voice is breaking.
no, ma'am. It's clear. Nothing is.
Switch off your all of you switch off your microphone first.
All of you switch off your mic.
Ma'am,
See, Swara, you are done with the rows and columns. You made the columns like this,
Yes, ma'am.
and you made the rows like this.
Yes, ma'am.
If I take 2 rows, for example, if I take 2 rows, right? And if I take 1, 2, 3, 4, So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It should be till here only. Yes. So when you take 1, 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns, and when you multiply 2 with the 6, you will get 12.
Yes, ma'am.
So you only have to make a rectangle and arrange them in the rows and columns so that you will, when you multiply rows and columns, you will get the 12.
Okay. I'll do it. then
Nishika
show
said
you.
properly.
Ma'am, I have
Nishika, it
made
is not
two.
visible clearly to me.
Ma'am, now it is with
I'll show you.
Yes. Yes, Jaival.
me, ma'am. I have made
Ma'am, three rows and 4 columns, and
Yes.
6 rows and 2 columns.
Yes, 6 rows and 2 columns. Very good.
Ma'am, can you see mine?
Yes, I can see. Yes. Yes, very good. So you children understood how are the best.
Ma'am, now I know 12 columns and excuse me, ma'am. There
Yes.
can be more like 12 columns and 1 rows, 1 column and 12 rows.
12
And
rows.
then
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done that only.
3 column and 4 rows, 4 column and 3 rows, 6 column and
2 rows and 2 rows and 6 columns.
Yeah, ma'am, I have done this only.
Right? So these all which you are finding out are the factors of 12. Means the 12 comes in these table. 1, please remember it. 1. Yes, Preet, you can show your graph paper. Preet, when you speak, then only you will be highlighted. Preet, this is the graph paper. Have you arranged it into the rows and columns? Preet, Vrushika, eat this afterwards. Maisha, you have done?
Ma'am,
Yes, yours is visible. Nishika, yours is visible. Yes. So now remember that 1 is also a factor of every number, and the number itself, right, is also a factor of every number. Yes. So what you have done, which child is this, Swara? No, Swara.
Can make
You need to check.
four factors. Ma'am, can we do more?
More with 12, you do with the more numbers now.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
do with the 30, you do with the 45, you do with the 27. Now, this is the activity we have done on factors. Now, exactly how we calculate the factors. Yes.
Sorry, ma'am. You were saying something.
Yes, Swara, you have done in the other way. You need to check.
Ma'am, I have done 4 into 3, 4 threes also.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have made 5.
Ma'am, I have only
5. So now we check the factors of 12.
Ma'am, I have 5 columns and 5 rows.
Okay, now come here. How many factors are there of the 12? Exactly with the method. Okay. So first we start with 1. We will check till 10, till the table of 10. Okay. So 1 into 12 is also 12. 2 into 6 is also 12. When you take 2 rows, 2 columns is also 12. 3 4s are 12. 4 3s are 12. Is 12 coming in the table of 5?
Ma'am, we have our English class now.
Yes. Wait a minute. Let me explain this. 12 comes in the table of 5?
Yes.
No.
No,
In
ma'am.
table of 6?
Yes, ma'am.
But table of 6 we have already written with 2.
Yeah.
So we will not repeat. We will.
2.
Aryan, please wait a minute.
Ma'am, I have only made
The same happened already. We can put
Right.
We have also written 3 multiplied by 4 multiplied
Yeah, so
by
we have also did this also. So we will not repeat it again because 4 already comes here. Aryan, your voice is breaking. Aryan, your voice is breaking.
Yes.
So 4 3s are 12. Now the numbers are started repeating. So we will not write again. So
Ma'am,
our
only-
factors are, we are learning grade 4 U method.
Yes.
We will
Ma'am.
start taking the factors from 1, then 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am, we can also by the by the HCF.
Yes, that methods also we will come. Okay, that are the different methods. Yes, now you can leave. We will more continue in the tomorrow's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.